on the back of the US president's threats of new tariffs, 10% rising to 25% on 8 EU allied nations tied to the Greenland dispute. This caused S&P 500 and Dow futures to fall 0.7 to 0.8% yesterday, and markets have opened today in the red, with all three major US indices down due to renewed and strengthening geopolitical tensions, driving risk-off sentiment. Safe haven assets like gold and silver have spiked to new highs upon said uncertainty. Economic data is still mixed, with some poor bank earnings but positive core data in industrials. 10-year Treasury yield is rising, and the IMF is flagging a potential over-reliance, US tech and AI growth. The new Fed chair could be announced as soon as next week, and Davos is happening as we speak, which, if you're not familiar, is where the global elites gather for the World Economic Forum. There are lots of earnings being announced this week, from Netflix today after the close to GE and Intel later this week. All eyes are on this Greenland tension, with Europe pricing in geopolitical and trade risk first and fundamentals second. We're seeing some sector rotation from cyclicals to defensive to safe havens.